In this tutorial, we will show how to use the Autoload feature, which provides seamless integration between Meiro events and the CDP. With Autoload, you can effortlessly ingest data collected through events directed to the CDP, simplifying the deployment process and eliminating the need to create a workspace in Meiro integrations. To enable direct integration, go to the Events tab under Administration and go to the Events Configurations. At the bottom, click the Configure button in the Autoload section. This will allow you to specify various settings to handle the data ingestion. Let's take a look at these configuration options. Select the desired endpoint from the Meiro events using the drop-down menu. This determines the source of the incoming data. Specify the event timestamp. You can use the reception time in UTC as the event timestamp, or define SQL expressions and transformations if there is a delay between the actual event occurrence and reception time. Define the SQL expression to extract the user identifier from the payload. This identifier helps differentiate events from different users. Define the SQL expression to filter events based on specific criteria. For example, you can filter events with a certain event type, such as page_view. Configuring these options ensures that events are correctly categorized, identified, and filtered. Next, you can specify transformations for the raw customer profile events to achieve the desired payload. You can apply multiple transformations in a specified order, or you can choose to skip this step. The order of transformations is important, as each transformation is applied one by one to the payload in the respective order. Detailed information and examples of available transformation can be found in our documentation. To test your configurations, we provide a test run section. Click the Fetch button to experiment with the event using the specified settings. You can specify the desired number of events to fetch, up to a maximum limit of 1,000. This test run allows you to verify your configurations and ensure the data is being ingested correctly. After you are satisfied with the results and the structure of the event, save the event's configurations. From this point, all events that meet the defined rules and undergo the specified transformations will be loaded into the CDP, ensuring you have the most up-to-date information in near real time. That's it. You have now learned how to set up the direct integration between Meiro events and the CDP. This integration simplifies the data ingestion process, reduces the likelihood of configuration errors, and provides a seamless experience.